Hey guys, this is Ryan with Beyond Microgreens, and this is another episode of Cooking with Ryan. So today, we're gonna do overnight oats. And so this is one of my favorite breakfast items. Super easy way to get broccoli booster, those veggies in your diet again. So what I like to do is start out with the rolled oats. These are organic, gluten-free from Sprouts. Let's see, there's that. Start out with a cup. So just like so. Usually overflows, that's just how it works. Okay, there. It's kind of messy. All right, and then got some hemp seeds, organic. You know, get those healthy fats in your diet from the start of the day. Got a teaspoon of that and a teaspoon of chia seeds. And these are black chia seeds by Nutiva. So get that in there. Just another teaspoon in there. Add some nuts. Always like to add some crunch in the overnight oats. And these nuts are from Archer Farms, omega-3. So that's really important to get that in your diet as well. Get some blueberries. Who doesn't like fruit in their breakfast? Like that. We'll add the Almond Milk by Kirkland. Very nice stuff. You can use any milk you want. My favorite's almond milk, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a half a cup. Put it in there like that. And then two more ingredients that I enjoy. Cinnamon, ground cinnamon, McCormick. Just a nice dash in there. And then the star of the show, we have to have broccoli booster, freeze-dried microgreens. Amazing stuff right here. Easy way to get veggies in your diet. So, tablespoon and a teaspoon. Boom. Just like that. That's all you need. And then I like to refrigerate this to 10 to 12 hours before I eat it. So put it overnight, go to sleep, wake up in the morning, feel super energized, get all those nutrients in your diet. So this is the finished product. I already refrigerated and everything like that. So let's give it a try. It's with the microgreens and everything like that. I like to stir it before just because, you know, everything sits at the bottom. So let's try this. And look at that. That is just amazing right there. Look at that. Let's see if I can get it. Look at that. Okay. Let's see. Wow. I'd say 9.5 out of 10, honestly. And I think what makes it is this thing right here. Right here. This is the money maker. Highly recommend. Super easy. That took me what? 2 minutes. Very awesome thing to make in the morning. Thanks, guys.
Nice.